Namaskar. If sun exposure has left you with stubborn tan line and uneven skin tone, don't worry, you can heal your skin with easy and effective homemade remedies. So first let's understand what happens when your skin tans. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, UV rays from the sun penetrate the skin and it triggers the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. So, your melanocyte cell, which produces melanin, create more pigment as a protective response against UV damage. This darkens the skin, leading to tanning, while melanin helps prevent severe sunburn. Excessive UV exposure can cause uneven skin tone, premature aging, and damage at the cellular level. Fortunately, there are natural remedies to help lighten and heal tan skin while keeping it healthy. Today, I will be sharing 5 natural, easy to make remedies that will help you get rid of skin tan and restore your natural glow. No expensive treatment, no harsh chemicals, just pure natural goodness straight from your kitchen. Let's start. The first remedy is a brightening yogurt and turmeric pack. This remedy is effective because yogurt has lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce redness and promote an even skin tone. So now take 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of honey optional. Mix everything into a smooth paste and apply on the tanned areas. Leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Use twice a week for best result. Next, vitamin C and aloe vera syrup. This syrup is very helpful and reduces skin tan because lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps lighten tan dark spot. And even research has proved that aloe vera soothes sunburned skin and accelerates healing. To make this serum, you need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix them well and apply onto a tanned skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse off. The third remedy of skin tan is tomato and gram flour tan remover scrub. This scrub works because tomato juice has natural bleaching property that helps fade tan. Gram flour acts as a gentle exfoliator, removing dead skin cells. So take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp, 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix everything into a nice paste and apply it on the skin. Gently scrub for 5 minutes. Then let it sit for 10 more minutes before washing off. Use twice a week for glowing skin. The fourth remedy is cucumber and rose water cooling mist. Cucumber juice hydrates and soothes sunburned skin, and rose water refreshes and tones the skin. To make this mist, blend half a cucumber and extract the juice. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray this cooling mist onto your face and body wherever your skin feels irritated or tanned. Store in the refrigerator for an extra refreshing effect. The fifth natural anti-tan remedy for you is the coconut milk and sandalwood glow mask. Coconut milk deeply nourishes and lightens the skin, while sandalwood has powerful anti-tan and anti-inflammatory benefits. To make this, take 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, mix well and apply a thin layer on the skin. Leave it for 20 minutes and then rinse off. This mask instantly brightens the skin and removes tan over time. And so these are your 5 simple and natural and super effective remedies to remove tan and restore your natural glow. Namaskar.